What crimes are punishable by death? Have you ever wondered what crimes could lead to the ultimate punishment? Capital punishment, also known as the death penalty, is a serious topic that varies across different legal systems. In many places, the most common crime that can result in a death sentence is murder, especially when it is premeditated or aggravated. This means that if someone intentionally plans and carries out the act of killing another person, they may face the death penalty. But murder is not the only crime that can lead to such a severe consequence. Historically, other offenses have also been punishable by death. These include treason, which is betraying one's country, and espionage, which involves spying for a foreign government. In some jurisdictions, terrorism and war crimes can also result in capital punishment. Additionally, serious drug offenses or kidnapping that leads to death may be included in this list, depending on the laws of the specific region. From a libertarian viewpoint, the discussion around capital punishment becomes more complex. Libertarianism values individual freedom and limited government intervention. Many libertarians are opposed to the death penalty because they see it as a dangerous exercise of state power. They argue that the government should not have the authority to take a life, especially when there is a risk of wrongful convictions or errors in the legal system. However, some libertarians do believe that capital punishment could be justified in cases of the most severe crimes, like murder. They argue that when someone deliberately takes another person's life, they may forfeit their own right to live. Still, this perspective comes with a strong caution about the potential for mistakes and abuses of power in the legal system. In practice, many libertarians advocate for abolishing the death penalty altogether. They prefer alternative punishments that respect individual rights and reduce state coercion. This aligns with the belief that societies that value personal freedom are less likely to impose such extreme penalties. In summary, crimes that are typically punishable by death include murder and other serious offenses. Yet, from a libertarian perspective, the use of capital punishment is generally opposed due to concerns about government overreach and the sanctity of individual liberty. While some libertarians may accept it for the most severe violations, they emphasize the importance of a trustworthy legal system to avoid irreversible mistakes.